Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we found online, the 1000W solar panel kit, a flexible portable charger that promises to bring the power of the sun to your fingertips. If you're interested, we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the 1000W solar panel kit? This kit features a monocrystalline silicon solar panel that boasts an impressive photoelectric conversion efficiency of up to 23%. This means you're getting about 1.2 times the power generation efficiency compared to traditional polycrystalline silicon panels, all while taking up less space. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to harness solar energy efficiently. One of the standout features of this solar panel is its flexibility. The maximum bending angle is 60 degrees, allowing you to position it in various ways to suit your space. While it can't be fully folded, you can easily arrange it according to your needs, making it a versatile solution for both home and outdoor applications. The kit's surface is crafted from tempered glass, which not only enhances light transmittance but also makes it highly wear-resistant. This design improves sunlight absorption and eliminates any risk of burning or explosion, ensuring that you can use it safely and effectively. Plus, it comes with an IP65 rating, meaning it's waterproof, lightning-proof, and moisture-proof. This durable construction guarantees a long service life, and it's built to withstand the elements without easily getting damaged. So, who is this solar panel kit suitable for? It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, RV owners, and yacht lovers. If you enjoy spending time in nature but still want access to power for your devices, this kit is an ideal choice. Additionally, it works well for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint or for those who want a reliable power source for streetlights or small solar power plants. In practical use, this solar panel kit can be set up in various scenarios. For instance, if you're camping, you can easily charge your phones, tablets, or even portable batteries. For RV owners, it can provide power for appliances and gadgets while on the road. Additionally, if you're interested in sustainable energy solutions for your home, it can serve as a supplemental power source,